Welcome. In this video, we will move to a new part of our course. We will start talking about functions in details. Let's start. What we mean by function? Function is a block of organized, reusable code that is used to perform a single related action. Python gives you many built-in functions like print, help, and so on. You can also create your own function. These functions are called user-defined functions. Functions provide better modularity for your application and high degree of code reusing. We will see this in our examples. How to define a function? How we can define our function? Functions blocks begin with the keyword div followed by the function name and parentheses, like div sum, then parentheses. Any input parameters or arguments should be placed within this parentheses. You can also define parameters inside this parentheses. The first statement of a function can be an optional statement, the documentation string of the function, or docstring. You can put docstring or not use it. The code block within every function starts with a colon and is intended. Remember, in Python there is no parentheses, it's only indentation. Okay? The statement return followed by an expression exits function, optionally passing back an expression to the caller. A return statement with no arguments is the same as return none. Remember, return with no arguments is gonna return none. Let's see the function syntax. In this example, let's take a pen here. I type div and I give it a function name here. Then this is our parameters here. Then if you want to put a docstring here, then this is function suit or function body. Then this is return to return something. If return have no parameter here, this will return none. How we can call a function? Defining a function also gives it a name, specifies the parameters that are to be included in the function, and structures the block of code. Once the basic structure of a function is finalized, you can execute it by calling it from another function or directly from the Python prompt. Following is the example to call a print me function. Let's see this example. If we look here, we will see that I defined a function div print str. This function takes a string and str from the user. This is a parameter. This is a docstring here. This is a function to print a string. It's just a help for developers. Then I type here print str to print this parameter here. Then I return nothing, no parameters here, so return is run. After this is the function here. We type define. We have the function name. We give it a parameters str. We put a docstring here. Then we print the function suit or body. Then we return next. If we want to call the function, I'll call it here print str, the name of our function, and this function takes a parameter from us here str. I give it Ahmad to print Ahmad. Okay. In the next video, we will start talking about function arguments in details, and we will see some examples about functions. Hope you like this video and see you next one.